Hi guys, welcome back to City. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video, before getting started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if it is possible, just share it. And that being said, that being done, now let's just roll in the intro. Alright guys, so now I'm going to teach you 3 simple steps of taking a screenshot in Redmi 7A. So the first step is holding a power button and the volume rocker's volume lowering button simultaneously at once. Just press them and that's a screenshot there. And moving on to the second step is the option available when you slide down the menu here, and over here you can see the screenshot option in the middle. Just click that and a screenshot there is done. And coming to the third step, this is a customizable step. I have kept it to 3 finger slide, but then I'll show you how you can do that. Just go to screenshot in settings and click on take a screenshot, and here are the different options available for you to take a screenshot by gestures. So you can use slide 3 fingers down. I have kept it like I'm using that one. Long press the home button, long press the menu button, long press the back button, power plus home button, power button plus menu button, power plus back. So these are the 4 to 6 extra features that you can enable, but you can use only one at a time. So I have kept it to slide 3 fingers. And now let's go back to the YouTube channel and open the video library, and let's take a screenshot and let's check it out. And I wanted to show you the separate feature, that is the scroll option. Now you can just scroll down the whole page and take the whole page screenshot at once without having to go back and take a screenshot of it separately at each time. So this is how you do that, and then click done when you are done with the page, and it will open up a long screenshot like this, and you can just zoom in and you can just view it. Okay, that's there. And if you guys want more awesome videos like this and other upcoming unboxing videos, tech tips, and there are Q&A videos going to come up maybe this week or the next. And if you guys want to watch them, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and make sure you enable the all notifications when you press that. And that's it in this video guys. Make sure you do that, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.